What is NFT and why is everyone crazy about it? Here are 10 things you need to know about NFTs. Fools, we need to talk about something, which is the non-fungible tokens. We saw this coming, but we didn't expect it to be this close and this big. Let's talk about NFT and how one person sold a bunch of pixels on a screen for $69 million. If you have no idea what is going on, this is the perfect article for you. We'll look at how the NFT works, and what are the possibilities. And how someone sold the digital artwork and became a millionaire overnight. So let's be brief and start with 1. Selling pixels isn't kind of new. Have you heard about skins in video games? It's pretty much the same concept. You're buying a skin to change the look of your character. In CS:GO, for example, the themes industry has a market capitalization of a few $billion. In business, for example, do you guys remember the $1 million home? Someone built a website with 1 million pixels, and sold each pixel for $1. Think of it like the biggest billboard on the internet. But now, with the blockchain, things are getting more interesting. And therefore, 2. What is NFT? NFTs are non-fungible tokens in the blockchain. Let's explain. NFT is a blockchain token that provides a certificate of ownership. It cannot be copied or duplicated. Also, they are not replaceable, which means they are unique. The dollar, for example, is exchangeable. We can give you $1 back, and you give us $1. The value is the same. The Mona Lisa, for example, is not replaceable. If we give you the original Mona Lisa and you give us back a copy, it won't be the same. So with that in mind, NFT is essentially a form of digital ownership that is represented as a token in the Ethereum blockchain. They can be attached to any type of content, from photos, music, and videos. Owning an NFT object gives you digital ownership rights to that content, allowing you to sell it. 3. CryptoKitties lead the way. The first time the NFT made headlines was when Pixel Bins started selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars. CryptoKitties is a video game based on the Ethereum blockchain, where you can buy, raise and sell digital cats. All CryptoKitties are represented as NFTs on the blockchain, which means they are unique and can be sold within the community using Ethereum as currency. According to reports, some cryptocurrencies were sold for as much as $300,000 apiece, and this opened the way for the future of NFT. 4. WHO is BEPLE. Now that you have an idea of what we're dealing with, let's talk about Mike Winkelmann, aka Pebble. He's a digital artist from Charleston and, according to his website, works on a variety of digital artwork, including short films and virtual augmented reality work. He has also worked on the collections of a number of prominent artists from Justin Bieber to deadmau5. And, perhaps most interestingly, he is one of the originators of the everyday movement. A trend in which he has created an image every day, for the past 10 years, without skipping a single day. Talk about persistence. 5. Selling $69 million. On March 11, 2021, Pebble sold the original collection of his 5,000-day artwork for $69 million, in the form of NFT. It is truly a historic moment. The sale was made through Christie's auctions and featured 2 events for the first time. The first sale of a digital piece of art, and the second event, the first sale through the Ethereum blockchain. People had previously sold a digitally filmed video of Donald Trump for $6.6 million. 6. Artwork on Louis Vuitton shirts. In 2019, Florent Bonamano, artistic director at Louis Vuitton, wanted some new colors for his next spring-summer collection. He saw some of Pebble's work on Instagram and decided to contact him. Babel agreed to let them use his artwork but had no idea what would happen. He said, "I actually thought they might not end up using it at all. But then a supermodel wearing one out of every day showed up on her shirt and said, 'Oh my God.' It was surreal, crazy." 7. You can see his reaction when the final offer was made. On Christie's YouTube channel, they added a video of Pebble interacting live with the event taking place. He never expected the bids to be so high. He was shocked when the price reached $27 million. When they showed the final price, he couldn't believe his eyes. "I think it probably means that digital art is here to stay," he added. 8. A way to prove your art in the future. In the age of the internet, everyone can copy anything, and once something is copied over and over again, it loses its value. Once an artwork is published online, it becomes very difficult to monetize it or trace its original owner or creator. However, with NFT, this changes dramatically, as it acts as a non-copyable digital property certificate. This gives you digital rights to resell, distribute or license the digital asset as you wish. It also gives the artist complete freedom in how to sell and distribute his artwork without having to involve a third party. And you may ask, why would anyone buy an NFT for something when they can only get a free copy online? The same reason why someone would want an original painting of their favorite artist on the wall, rather than a copy. 9. You can make your own NFT. NFT is spreading everywhere now and people are making good money from it. Anyone can make an NFT out of something, and a good example of this is Logan Paul. He has partnered with cryptocurrency exchange Bondly and has made 3,000 NFT a topic around his passion for his newfound Pokemon. Sold for $5 million in total. Another artist who has achieved a few million NFTs is Elon Musk's girlfriend Grimes. On February 28, 10 pieces of art, some unique, some in multiple copies, listed on Nifty Gateway, a website for buying and selling NFTs. The best-selling piece, a video titled "Death of the Old," sold for $389,000. Combined, her entire collection was sold for a total of $6 million. The NBA is another big new player in the NFT game. They just sold a video of LeBron James diving for $200,000. 10. Decentralized trade. What NFT leads to is essentially decentralized commerce. A market where every transaction takes place through smart contracts on a distributed ledger network such as Ethereum. No major player can manipulate the market, push products to the front page, or buy fake reviews. Nor can anyone cheat you and send you a rock in place of your new iPhone, which apparently happens a lot. This is the future, dear. A question: what do you think? Does this kind of digital ownership survive? Are you going to buy the NFT album of your favorite artist? Let us know in the comments.